I contribute by throwing salute and I don't welcome with football in Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see I'm waiting people will sabi book where we call fan reaction. And we get Oga Timothy will be like saying Ogbonge football fan, Ogbonge Chelsea fan, make one tell us about how we see this game. Oga Timothy, compliment of the season. Chelsea don't come from the World Cup break and they don't start their first Premier League game. They start out with 3 points, 2 goals, and clean sheet. Now, how you see Chelsea performance for this game, Oga Timothy?
Chelsea play fine ball today. Compared to what they played on the last 4 games, so they lose 4 games consecutively. I really say Potter don't really work well because Potter not go work up, so he don't really settle down and work the team well. Even players will not go work up, you don't arrange them well. Today, Obu James will come for injury. You see the way they play for first half. You see how say put body for the game. Even though it's all constantly come on for later time, but still super. Another person I see observe pass for the match, Cucurella. When a person play for that left back way. They play with that air, so everybody complain say you don't feel easy here, they play well. But the guy, if you watch the match, say the guy really play fine ball. So I really impressed. If Chelsea if continue like this, to the end of the season, they will carry this league. They play with this fine form with their guests. So I will tell you for the match.
So to you now, you think say the title race, Chelsea is there for the title race for this season?
Yes, we don't see them they play. Go with our players, we see them enjoy go see come. To see compete. I will tell you as a Chelsea fan.
You believe that Chelsea are title contender?
I believe. Arsenal not going near there. I believe.
Arsenal not near there.
They go come out just that.
So, but I want to ask you now, Oga Timothy. Now, which player be your man of the match for this game?
I go give Cucurella. And that guy play for pass today. I defend pass. And Cucurella I'll give.
Okay, I want to ask you about Dennis Zakaria now. One player will be like, say, when he make the move to Chelsea, him never they play that much. But today we see him saying start. And what do you get to talk about Dennis Zakaria performance for today's match?
Dennis impressed me. Even when they kind of come for deadline from Juventus, the guy never really get it. That's when I first Premier League start for Premier League. The guy really impressed me. He made some kind of pass, some kind for the midfield, they control the midfield. He did everywhere for the field, defense, forward, everywhere. The guy tried. The guy that person Potter into the observe, but the guy they play fine. Yeah.
So, but I want to ask you now, as a Chelsea fan, you thought say realistically, you believe say Chelsea go fit challenge for this title with what you they see. So you believe say if they continue to play like that, they will challenge for the title. But this January now, transfer window does start. How many players you think say Chelsea will need to bring in for inside this January transfer window?
With the way things stay, they shall wait James don't go small. You will not know how the outcome will be. Normally, Potter don't. They had two defenders, one central back and one other guy. For more than something, they say they collect one for more. So Potter only needs central back, even though you need to get sub for bench. Striker Fofana, and that one a better signing. But I believe say some kind hot boy see the market like Rafael Leona. I believe that one a boy like say Potter supposed to because that boy they play fine ball. People look at him play for World Cup for Portugal, you know say the ball. So Potter need to observe those guys key players too. Go improve the team the way I see.
Okay. So before I let you go, Oga Timothy, now what do you get to tell other Chelsea fans for inside this holiday period?
Well, I go tell Chelsea fans say that they support the team. Chelsea na fine club. But they don't need our support online, offline. So I will tell I get to tell Chelsea.
My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.